It's been an exhausting August, a month I'll never forget. I got to travel out of country, out of state, out of the city, new places that were on my wish list. My summer was filled with adventures that will live on forever.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf.
Hey guys, this is Kimmy. Known her since she was a little baby. And yeah, and that's Tita over there. And you know Ken already, my girl. What's up, Uber?
Yo,
what's up, guys?
Hop in.
She's leaving us, the baby little girl. Big hug. Bye bye.
It's only love.